Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a simple feeding pump tutorial for mothers who are new to pumping and want to learn the basics in an easy way. Before starting, always wash your hands thoroughly and make sure all pump parts are clean, dry, and assembled correctly. Good hygiene is one of the most important parts of a successful pumping routine. Next, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit and relax. Being comfortable can help make the session feel smoother and more manageable. Before using the pump, take a few moments to relax. Some mothers find it helpful to gently massage the area or drink a little water before starting. Now place the pump correctly and begin with a gentle setting. If you are using a manual pump, use slow and steady movements. If you are using an electric pump, start with a comfortable level and adjust only if needed. Do not worry if the flow does not start immediately. It is normal for the body to take a few minutes to respond. Staying calm and patient is important. During the session, try to maintain a steady rhythm and avoid rushing. A relaxed approach often makes the experience more comfortable. If you feel discomfort, pause for a moment and adjust the position or settings. Small changes can make a big difference. After the session is finished, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container. Label it if necessary and store it properly. Finally, wash all pump parts thoroughly and allow them to dry completely before the next use. With regular practice and a simple routine, pumping becomes easier and more comfortable over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.